Hello everyone, my name is Nelli and I'm an application specialist here at Malvern Panalytical. I'm specialized in nanomaterial characterization and I'm gonna show you today the Zetasizer Advance. And now we can go through how to set up a size measurement. We need to go to our measure page, and the way that it's set up, we need to follow a top to bottom sequence. So first of all, we can name our sample, and then we can select the cuvette that we want to use. In this case, I want to perform a size measurement, so I have selected a DTS 0012 cuvette, but there is plenty of cuvettes depending the type of sample you would like to measure, or the type of measurement, or the volume that you have available. And because I have selected the DTS 0012 cuvette, I can only perform a size measurement. The zeta potential option is grayed out. Then I can select the type of material I would like to use. In this case, I'm measuring some latex particles, but again, there is a big library of different materials you could use, or you can add your own by selecting the edit button. We can do the same thing with the dispersant. At this point, I'm measuring my particles in sodium chloride and water, but again, if I had a different dispersant, I can select one of the ones in the library, or I can add my own. Then I need to select the type of project I want to organize my measurements under, and finally I need to select the type of measurement I would like to do, which is the size measurement. I can select here how many repeats I would like to do, for example, let's say 3, and at this stage, for most users, this is enough, and we can start the measurement. Now that our measurement is done, we can go to the Analyze page to assess our results. Here we have our 3 repeats, and we can overlay them and see our size distribution. We can also see the data quality guidance. Data quality guidance is neural network trained to identify if our sample is of good quality or if it's not, so it can give us advice to improve our sample preparation. For instance, in this case, there's no data quality issues detected. However, I do have an example here where it pointed out that there were multiple populations present in the sample, and it gave us some further advice, such as using multiple angle dynamic light scattering to be able to resolve these populations a bit further.